Okay guys, we are back. I figured out a way. So, basically, just kind of flatten these out a little bit. I was able to get them up. They were bunched up right here. And I laid the case down on its side. And now I do believe we can get, yes, 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 yes. So right here it is bulging a little bit because of those wires. And what I could do is go through all those wires and cut about 12 inches out of each of them. But man, that's just a pain in the butt. I'm not going to do it. This is my personal rig. I don't mind it being like this. In the future we will do better with the cable management. But that's how it looks. So I'm going to try to do something here, maybe to get those back in there a little bit and clean these up and clean that up a little bit. It's a little bit dusty. Hey, you're going to get dust in your computer. That's why every once in a while you want to pull it apart and clean it. You can't let this build up with dust. Dust will kill computer parts. Anyway, signing off. Have a good day.